Hello, Lisa Broyles with Way to Health MD, and this is a continuation of my genetics series. I'm going to break this one into two videos to talk about the MAOA gene, which is the monoamine oxidase gene, and this gene regulates the MAOA enzyme, okay? And what that gene does is it regulates your levels of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals in your brain that make you happy or sad, ragey or depressed. So these are really important neurotransmitters, and this enzyme regulates your levels of them. So this video is about people that have a rapidly functioning fast MAOA gene, which makes the enzyme work quickly, which causes a more rapid breakdown of your neurotransmitters like serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine. What this means for you is if you have a fast-acting MAOA gene, you're going to crave carbs. Do you know why you crave carbs and sugar when you have this? Because carbs are a dietary source of tryptophan, which your body needs to make serotonin, and serotonin's what you're craving because serotonin makes us feel peaceful and happy and satisfied. It helps you make dopamine. So when this enzyme is too fast, you tend to be kind of chronically low mood, low energy. You also have trouble sleeping because if you don't have enough serotonin, then your body can't make enough melatonin, as if it weren't enough that you were already feeling tired during the day, then you can't sleep at night because of low melatonin levels. So basically your body is breaking down these neurotransmitters too quickly. It's producing them fine, but it's breaking them down too quickly. So back in the 1950s, they did develop some medications called MAOI inhibitors that slowed this enzyme down to deal with depression. Unfortunately, these drugs had some deadly consequences, such as triggering extremely high blood pressure and cerebral hemorrhages, because these drugs were affecting the tryptophan and tyramine levels. They interact with a lot of other drugs. They also interact with a lot of foods. So we don't use these drugs anymore. Selegiline, Nardil, those are a few examples. Most of you have probably never heard of them, but we don't really use these drugs anymore because of that. Because it's not a good idea to intentionally monkey with how fast this enzyme is regulating your neurotransmitter levels. But there are some things that you can do to fix it naturally. First of all, I know you crave carbs, but carbs are terrible for people with a fast MAOA. You're just getting these constant, quick tryptophan bursts, which are making serotonin, and then you're crashing again. You need protein. You need to start your day off with protein. So this is eggs or pea protein or black beans, but it needs to be a healthy source of protein in the morning and healthy fats, and cut out the carbs. After a few weeks, the cravings go away, your mood swings will mellow out. So the best thing you can do for people with this fast MAOA and the low energy that kind of comes with that and the carb cravings, you cut out the carbs and you'll feel better. I know that that's counterintuitive, but when you know the physiology behind it, that your body is really just craving tryptophan, then you should get tryptophan from healthy dietary sources, which include spinach, seaweed, mushrooms, pumpkin seeds, turnip greens, red lettuce, and asparagus. So these are going to help keep your mood more stable, your energy better, increase your serotonin levels, help them hang around better, and increase melatonin levels to help you sleep better. You also need to work on stress management. So the better you can manage stress as far as exercise, meditation and prayer, spending time with friends and family, reducing job loads if possible. But it's really important with an unhealthy MAOA enzyme and the mood swings to try to regulate stress levels. The last thing that I do want to say about this is a note on going gray. So if you are prematurely going gray, there is a reason behind it. It's not just genetically determined. So gray hair is from overproduction of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a byproduct of the MAOA enzyme. When that enzyme is breaking down too many neurotransmitters all the time, just people with the fast MAOA tend to go gray faster because the MAO enzyme is making so much hydrogen peroxide. It's byproduct of breaking down all these neurotransmitters, and that makes your hair grow gray. Because your body needs glutathione to help reduce these hydrogen peroxide levels. And if you're highly stressed all the time and you're not eating healthy foods, then your glutathione levels are low and you get gray hair. For more information on this, I would love to talk to you personally. Thank you.